Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. As you saw in the thumbnail, we are playing Minecraft today with a new, well, uh, sorry, I'm going through a stroke. We are reviewing a mod. It's called Easy Redstone. It is a builder's mod, redstone mod for anybody who, needs help with redstone. Like me, for example. I suck at redstone. Now, as we go through today's tutorial, I will be showing you, instead of reading all of that nonsense, I'm going to be showing you how to easy redstone. Let's get to it, shall we? As soon as this loads. There we go. Okay, guys. Hello. Welcome. I think I forgot to set this on a flat world. Okay. Anyways, so today we are viewing Easy Redstone. Now, I don't need the guidebook because I've already played this mod yet again. It is a mod showcase. We are going to be going through, let me find it. There is a special new crafting table. Here it is. An Easy Redstone add-on. Get the preview block remover and the drafting table. These are two key items. Okay? So how you build, we're just going to build over here since there's a lot of space. How you build is you place down the draft table. Now you can pick between all these from small to medium to large, okay? This is how to remove the drafting table. Let's start with small, okay? You can do an automatic bamboo or sugar cane farm. You can do an automatic melon or pumpkin farm, an automatic crops farm, or an automatic flower farm, an automatic egg farm, an automatic honeycomb farm, and fast automatic bamboo or sugar cane farm, an automatic bone meal maker, an automatic stone generator, an automatic tall flower farm, lava farm, automatic cooked chicken farm, automatic cooked beef farm, and so on. This does quite a lot. I have not tested all these out, but I think one of the coolest is the automatic stone generator. So what happens is you look at the description, whatever, you look at the list of materials, you hit accept. Let me try that again. You hit done. There we go. So now this has placed down a little version or a hologram of the automatic stone crafter. Now you see there are these cute little robots. See, it's a block. Oh gosh. I don't think I was supposed to do that. There is cute little robots as well in this build. See? There's a guy over there, there's a guy over there, there's a guy over here. I don't know why they're not working as usual, but I guess they're just not. So what we have to do is we need redstone, iron, and stone. So how we're going to get those is we're going to go to stone. Obviously, just get stone. You can get one block because it doesn't actually accept the materials because you're in creative mode. But if you're in survival mode, probably should get those. Now we go to block of iron. The next thing is we need wood, obsidian, and water and lava. Okay, so we need wood. Here it is, wood, and now we need obsidian, which is on this one. Obsidian, and now we just need water and lava. There we go. Next thing you do is you click on this and you hit build structure. Insert materials. Here is the structure. as you guys can probably tell. Now, you see I broke a block earlier in the corner? No, it was this one. I broke this block. It's now here. So if you break any of the hologram, no worries. So the next thing that we're obviously going to do... Whoops. Oh my gosh, I'm terrible. I am not good at building, okay? Well, I'm a little bit good at like building like small houses, but I cannot build like redstone contraptions. I am not a Minecrafter like that. I cannot do that. Like, my brain won't compute, okay? So, here's how it works. It literally tells you step. Look, info, automatic stone generator. Step 1, toggle this lever to start and stop. It's on. Step 2, use pickaxe to mine stone. That was disappointing. Anyways, what would usually happen is you would mine the stone and it replaces it for you. Look! How do you do that? I don't know how to do that. And it'll keep doing that. So you could like break all this and you can do that. But you can literally just mine this forever. This will always give you stone. Always. And you could just break this infinitely. Then once you're done, it will go into this chest. Look. Farm item collector. See? Isn't that cool? Okay. You guys saw this one. But you can also place other ones, which one of these are going to be very popular. An automatic crop farm. Oh, whoops. Keep forgetting that. Done. This is an automatic crop farm. I forgot what this... Anyways, I think they updated the texture because it did not used to look like this. So what we do, basically, we do the exact same thing. But this time, we need a diamond. Diamond. How do we get diamond? Down in the mines, taking redstone. Diamond. Okay. Now, we hit build structure. Insert materials. Now we choose our material. And it didn't used to be like this, like a double decker. It did not used to be like that. It used to actually just be one. I think they updated the texture and that's why it's like that. But yeah, you get this. Sorry, I'm just building a little platform to show you. Basically, you get this, and now these builds actually do help you because they've helped me a lot and they just look awesome. I would never be able to build this in a cajillion years. Automatic harvesting farm. Sounds interesting. Press button to harvest. See this? Item collection. If I press this button, that happens. If I press it again, it will shut off the automatic crop farm. So you do need to put down the wheat manually, but once you do it, it's still pouring. Isn't that cool? You get 48 seeds from that, but most of this, like, I could not build this, even if I wanted to. So after you do, and you do this, and you do that, and then you just build all this, and you plant every single one of these wheat seeds. Of course, I'm in creative mode, so I don't run out. So you put the wheat seeds, and that's how that works. Okay? Now, to remove this, because we're going to be testing out more with just this one drafting table. Noah, how do you do that? Now, if you click on this, you can actually remove menu or structure customization. Look. Warning. Accept. Change wall, change floor, back. Change wall. No wall. Stone. Deep slate. And then you can change to all these different colors, which is crazy. So, for instance, I want stone. That's freaking cool. For instance, change floor. I want the floor to be grass. Boom, it's grass. That's awesome. And then, if I go down to settings, oh wait, hold on. You know how this works. There's always something that I don't remember. Reset structure, accept, bam. Now you can also pick from potatoes, for instance. The next thing that you can do is remove menu, which remove structure, set permanent, or back. Remove structure, accept, bam. It's removed. So the next thing is basically medium, which does the same thing but could be a bit bigger, like an XP farm, for instance. Let's try a crops farm. How would this be? Now we already have all these materials, so we can already hit build structure. Bam. Wheat. See, this is how the other one used to be, and this used to be a large. I'm surprised it's a medium now. But this is what we usually have. That is a large, and you have even more storage, and you can even place stuff in the item frames. So like, let's say I wanted to place like wheat in this one and seeds in this one, you could do that. There's a composter. It gives you with all the materials. And of course, the best part, the seeds harvester thing. Then you click it again, and it removes the water. Of course, it did not get all the seeds because I'm just dumb, so, you know. Yeah, and yes, it does break, sadly. Come here. I know, I'm trampling all over my crops. Ooh. Okay, fine. So, basically, bye. Basically, you can, like, mark the seeds, then you can place down the seeds down. Bam. So, the next thing that you can do, as you go down to remove menu, remove structure, accept, and then pick up the drafting table, place it back down. Now, since we have a medium, there's also different farms. The larger your thing gets, the more farms that will be available. Like the silverfish farm, for example. Bam. There's an item added to the list. As you can see, it's quartz. Of course it's quartz. Why wouldn't it be quartz? Quartz, 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 quartz. That sounds really weird. But anyways, now you get nether quartz. Click on the drafting table. Build structure. Insert materials. Bam. Default, or add trident killer. Let's try default for now. Let's just add a little... Oh. Whoops. Oh my gosh. Okay. So listen. Look. Info. Collect XP from silverfish that have spawned. From armadillo affected by potion of infestation. So, for instance, I don't think I've ever used one of these before. This structure. I've never used this structure before. I don't know exactly how this goes, so let's read it. Restock splash potion of infestation into this barrel. Press this button to spawning silverfish. Go ahead and... Recommendation. Press this button again every 3 minutes. Okay. Whoops. I accidentally broke the infestation. Okay, let's find that again. Splash potion of poison. Weaving. Decay. Weakness. Infestation. Right. So you basically, you place these in here, press the button. I don't think this contraption's finished. Let's try placing this button. Clearly, I don't know how redstone works. Yeah, I have no idea how this works. That's concerning. I've never seen this mod fail structure before. Let's just remove that. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, that was hopefully. Okay, am I tripping? Am I tripping? Oh, I am tripping. Okay. Okay, anyways, medium size, and that's a new one. I've never seen that, so that's probably why it didn't work. Anyways, there's even the same automatic, some are the same. There's an automatic moss farm, kelp farm, there's a concrete maker, automatic iron farm, which personally, that sounds pretty cool. Automatic wheat farm, spider and skeleton XP farm, spider and cave spider XP farm, and a bunch of... This, I think, is really cool. But I'll show that one later. This is automatic tree farm. Okay, except... I have those materials. Hello. Build structure. Insert materials. Okay. I've never seen this one either. This is new. Toggle lever. I need bone meal, really? Okay, sorry guys. I've never used this machine before, so put bone meal in. Toggle lever to start and stop growing trees. Place oak sapling on top of a grass block. Okay, guess we're gonna follow instructions. There we go. Bam. Now press the lever to start and stop. Whoa. Is that supposed to happen? What is this? Nothing's happening. Oh. Whoa. Could just like put an actual... Oh, let's see if I can spam click this. Never mind, I ran out. Yeah. That happened. Use axe to cut down oak logs. There's no axe. Oh. Okay, I'm just an idiot. So clearly, either I'm terrible at doing anything in Minecraft, or... Oh yeah. I have no idea how any of this works. Let's be honest, people. I have no idea. We'll just obliterate that structure. Okay. I'm definitely not tripping. What? Whoa. What? Okay. I see how it is, Minecraft. You won't play that game. Anyways. And large size. There is a final size that is large, which you can do automatic sorter storage. This is awesome. I've actually used this before, and it's awesome. Watch. This one is a little bit laggy, and I do need an emerald. But overall, pretty good. Insert materials. Bam. Okay, a little bit of lag there. No, there ain't no worries for the... Sorry. Anyways, just build that. This is an automatic sorter. Thought that'd be cool. As you can see, I clearly have no idea how any of this works. I also don't know why they don't have the materials I wish that they did. Because I really wish they had stone. Because then there's this. Non-sorted chests. But anyways, for instance, there's logs up there. Everything starts off with 1. So if I place down an oak log, bam, then I toggle lever. Now, as you can see, should go somewhere else. Okay, it should go in one of these. It should go in this one. Here it is. See, there's 2 in that one now. There's always 1. You can also you can abuse this to the max, by the way. You know how you get your emerald and your diamond back? Well, guess what? You also get your literal copper ingot, an iron ingot, a gold ingot, an amethyst shard, and a lapis lazuli. I can't speak. But you also get like stuff like those and other things. But I think it's really cool, and there's this that you can also sort out customly because there are not all things. Anyways, number 1, good mod, definitely recommend. Anyways, guys, I will see you later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It has been fun with you. So please subscribe and like and comment. See ya.